Good morning guys. I'll make yam chow fried rice with longganisa. And the ingredients are half carrots, 1 spring onion, 2 pieces of garlic, 3 pieces of small onions. If you have medium size, it can be. Then oyster sauce to taste when we cook. And salt that is to taste also. 2 cups of rice, 1 piece of egg, 3/4 oil, and the longganisa. So let's start. And the procedure in cutting this is chop. Then chop it in the cubes. Like pieces into square pieces, cubes. The procedure in cutting the mince. And this is how to mince the onions. And this is the finished product, the minced onions. Then, when the onions are done, the next will be garlic. To let the juice out, crush the garlic. And also the other one. Then, after it will be crushed, mince it. And this is the minced garlic. After the onion and garlic, will be the carrot. And it will be sliced in a method of, brunoise. But the spelling is brunoise. Okay. And it defines to be a fine cut, like a dice. First, it will be cut diagonally. Then, after it is cut lengthwise, cut it sidewise. Like julienne or strips. When the carrots are done and garlic are done, the spring onions will be separated into two. Like the egg crumble, will separate this hard thing to the soft thing. Then, when the soft and hard are separated, the first thing we'll do is chop it into thin pieces. Will be sliced thinly. Then, when the spring onions are thinly cut, thinly sliced, put it to another bowl. To do the same with the hard one, but slice it in a rondel method because it is used for garnish. Then, when it's already cut in a rondel style, you put it with the soft one. Then, after the carrots, spring onions, garlic, and onion, go to the longganisa. Cut it in a small dice method. Sorry guys, this longganisa is so soft. It can't be cut that hard, like making it as a dice that equally. Then, when the longganisa is already cut into dice, small dice, let's put it, transfer it to another container. This like this. Here we have 1 egg, together with some salt, and season it.